The opportunity. We're living through a hinge moment. Artificial intelligence and robotics are getting more capable by the day, and together they hint at a world with far less drudgery, disease, and poverty. Humanoids, self-driving taxis and trucks, delivery drones, these systems are already replacing human labor at scale. Humans are remarkable, but we have limits. Rest, sleep, recovery. Robots don't. Some humanoid robots now promise up to 22 hours of productive work every day, all year. No human can or should compete with that. The problem. Automation promises abundantly cheap goods and services, but there's a catch. If people lose their jobs to AI and robots, how do they afford to buy any of it? Yes, past waves of technology created new jobs, but this time, AI that matches or exceeds human capability, paired with tireless humanoids, can replace entire roles end to end. Whatever skill a human can learn, an AI robot can learn faster. So we face a new question. What if a human's contribution on a team of super intelligent machines is, on balance, negative? There's no market for negative labor value. Humans need not apply. Push this to an extreme and you get dystopia. Owners of AI and robotics on one side, superfluous people on the other. That road ends in conflict, upheaval, and loss. The half solution. Most businesses don't want calamity. They want customers. Universal Basic Income, UBI, seems like an answer. Give everyone a steady stipend so they can participate in a robot-powered economy. The usual objection? It's too expensive. Raise taxes high enough to fund UBI and you risk wrecking the engine you're trying to save. The math rarely adds up, so anxiety grows. Are we really going to fight to preserve jobs most of us would rather not do? Will we throw away the chance to cure disease, end poverty, and repair the planet? There has to be a better path. The full solution. Here it is, the solution. It was always deceptively simple, hidden in plain sight. As robots take human jobs, robots get paid a federally mandated minimum wage, say $3 an hour. Those wages go into a national UBI pool. Robots never spend what they earn, so every dollar flows back to people as UBI. Make it universal. Humanoids, factory bots, warehouse arms, delivery drones, even commercial self-driving cars and trucks, log hours and get paid into the fund. Do the back of the envelope math. If a humanoid, say Tesla's forthcoming Optimus, works 22 hours a day, 365 days a year, at $3 an hour, that's 22 times 365 times $3 equals $24,090 per robot annually contributed to the UBI pool. With millions of deployed robots, UBI, and even Universal High Income, UHI, suddenly becomes viable. Everyone wins. There's no need to fight the robots when the robots are, by design, working for all of us. Critics will call it wage theft from machines. But robots don't have needs or bank accounts. They're capital equipment. We're simply routing a small portion of the value they generate back to the society that makes their deployment possible. Call to action. Tell your senators and representatives to draft and put forward a simple bill. Maybe call it ARLA, the American Robotic Labor Act. ARLA would establish a national minimum wage for robotic labor and direct those wages into a universal income fund, along with the standards needed to track hours and enforce payment. A robot economy without people is a dead market. A robot economy that funds people is a flourishing civilization. UBI solved? Maybe. Let's make it real. Like this video and share it with one friend. We can do this together.